Welcome to Thesaurus Thrive, where we explore the depths of the English language. In today's video, we dive into the meaning, definition, and synonyms of the word infidelity. What is the meaning of infidelity in English? The term infidelity refers to unfaithfulness or a violation of trust, most often in the context of romantic or marital relationships. When someone engages in infidelity, they betray the trust of their partner by having a romantic or intimate connection with someone outside of their committed relationship. This can include emotional or physical involvement, making infidelity one of the leading causes of relationship breakdowns. Infidelity definition. In a formal sense, infidelity is defined as the act of being unfaithful, typically in a marriage or committed relationship. It is not restricted solely to physical betrayal but can also refer to emotional dishonesty, where one's loyalty to their partner is compromised. The root of the word comes from the Latin infidelitas, meaning lack of faith. Common synonyms of infidelity. When we talk about infidelity, we can use several alternative words to describe it. Some common synonyms include adultery, the act of a married person having a sexual relationship outside of their marriage. Unfaithfulness, a broader term that includes both emotional and physical betrayal. Betrayal, a general term for any form of disloyalty, not just in romantic relationships. Cheating, a more casual way of referring to infidelity, often used in modern contexts. Deceit, the act of lying or hiding the truth, especially in the context of relationship trust. Infidelity in different contexts. Infidelity doesn't only pertain to romantic relationships. In a more abstract sense, it can refer to any breach of loyalty, such as in friendships, business partnerships, or even religious faith. The word has a deep impact, carrying heavy emotional connotations of loss and dishonesty. Examples of infidelity in sentences. Let's look at a few examples of how infidelity can be used in a sentence. The discovery of her husband's infidelity shattered their marriage. His emotional infidelity hurt her more than a physical betrayal ever could. Trust is the foundation of any relationship, and infidelity undermines it. Infidelity is a word charged with emotion, and understanding its meaning and usage is crucial for effective communication. Whether discussing romantic betrayal or loyalty breaches in other areas of life, the nuances of infidelity are vital to grasp. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Thesaurus Thrive for more insights into the fascinating world of language.